Hello, guys. Good morning. How are you today? I am good. All right. Finally, today is Friday. Yes! All right, guys. So let's continue with our lessons on Unit 10, okay? So, Unit 10, it's going to be sunny. All right. So, before we begin, guys, today is Friday. Yes! Friday, the 21st of August 2020. Okay, Friday, the 21st of August 2020. And guys, today the weather is cloudy. Okay, so today is cloudy. All right. So, guys, today we are going to talk about the grammar lesson. All right, we are going to work on the grammar lesson, and today, for the grammar lessons, we are going to see the difference between present continuous and be going to. Okay, and also we're going to see the difference between must and mustn't, and these will be seen in page 123 and 124. Okay. All right, so let's begin, guys, with be going to. All right, so guys, be going to. As you can see, it looks like present continuous. Remember present continuous? Let me have my text over here. Okay, so for present continuous affirmative, we have subject pronoun, okay, subject pronoun, plus verb to be, okay, plus the main verb ing, plus complement, okay, complement. All right. Now, see this difference over here. Be going to. Okay, so we have subject pronoun. Be going to. All right. Subject pronoun. To be. Go in. To. Which then is the complement. Okay, guys, so you can see this is another type of present continuous. Okay, be going to is a different type of present continuous. Okay, but this type of present continuous only focus in the future. It is the only present continuous that focus on the future, not present. Okay, only in the future. So here are some examples. I, verb to be, am going. Okay, going. Now remember, after the to, you need another verb. Okay, so I'm going to play. All right, I'm going to play football, example, or a video game tomorrow. Okay, you're gonna see, guys. I am going to. I am going to. So, guys, this structure again, okay, it is basically for future, okay. But what type of future? We use it for future plans, okay, for future plans. Let's see what I mean with this over here. So we have subject pronoun, verb to be, affirmative and negative. I am not. He is, he isn't. She is, she isn't. You are, we aren't. They are, they aren't. Going to watch, or going to play, going to eat, going to dance, going to pray. Okay, so after the going to, you talk about the future and the future action. Okay, question forms. Okay, you just change like present continuous, verb to be, subject pronoun, going to. Okay, so are you going to play football today? Is she going to stay in tonight? Am I going to visit my friends today? Okay. And short answer, yes, I am. No, I am not. Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Sorry, guys. Now, when do we use going to plus the infinitive form of the verb? You can see, guys, the infinitive form of the verb. When am I going to use the going to plus infinitive to talk about future plans? Okay, future plans. Okay, so if I plan on doing something, I can use a going to. Okay, future plans. Actually. Okay. Second, so an example. I am going to spend all evening on my homework. It means I have a plan to do my homework this evening. Okay, so in the future, in the evening. Another, I am not going to fall asleep. Sorry guys, okay, I am not going to fall asleep. Alright, so this is another future plan. Okay. Now we also use the future going to talk about um, very probable future. Okay, remember will? We use will to talk about probable future when it's a probability. Exactly. We can use the going to for the same thing. Okay, so we use the going to predict things because of something we can see or because of an information we have now. All right. So if I have an information now, I can predict the future with the information. So an example, you can see a thick cloud. Okay, it is very cloudy now. So the information I have now is that it is cloudy. So when it's cloudy, I know it's going to rain. So this is my information, okay? Information. My information is it is cloudy, okay? And the future result, it's going to rain, okay? Future result. So again, when we predict the future, because this is in the future, okay? Future, and this is now, okay? So if I have an information now, okay, I can predict the future, okay. So now it is cloudy, so it is going to rain, okay. Good. Very good, guys. So let's continue with some examples just to practice what we just studied, okay? Good. So, guys, number one, complete the sentences with going to and a verb from the box. Okay. There is one verb you don't need to use. Okay. There is one verb you don't need to use because, guys, we have question one, two, three, four, five. But we have one, two, three, four, five, six verbs. So we don't need one verb. Okay? So let's begin. One, it's nearly 8 o'clock. You miss your bus. So you know when it is very late in the evening, you can miss your bus. Okay, so it's nearly 8 o'clock. You're going to miss your bus. Okay, so you, verb to be, are going to, verb in the infinitive, miss. Okay, your bus. Question two. Tomorrow morning, we our bikes to school. So we ride bikes, okay? We ride bicycles, okay? We ride bicycles. All right. So tomorrow we are riding. Sorry, we are going to ride our bicycles or bike. Oh, I'm sorry. We are going to ride. So how to ride bike? Let me see. Ride bike. Okay. Let's give it a second while it's loading. Exactly. So this is riding bike. Okay. The verb is to ride bike. All right. All right. Question three. I more exercises in the future. Okay. So we do exercise. Okay. Remember, do is for individual activities. Okay. So I am going to do. So I am going to do. Okay, guys. Question four. We are our coats. Okay. The sun is coming out. So, guys, when the sun is coming out, the weather becomes hot. And when the weather is hot, we don't wear our coats. We don't use our coats. Okay. So, we don't. Oh, sorry. We are not, okay, going to need. We are not going to need our coats. It is not necessary. It is not important. We are not going to need our coats because the sun is coming out. So you can see, not need. Okay? And finally, we our grandparents this weekend. So the best verb here is visit. Okay, so we are going, sorry, we are going to visit our grandparents today. Okay, guys. Woohoo! 5 out of 5. Okay, guys, is it okay? Now, let me see. Question two. Complete the conversations with going to. All right. So, guys, question one. You have coffee. Sorry, are so you have coffee for breakfast. The correct interrogative form is are to have coffee for breakfast? Okay. No, I am going to have tea. Okay. Question two. What, okay, are you going to have? Oh, so what are you going to? What are you going to do? Okay, sorry. Do this evening. Okay. I can see I. Verb to be of I am going to play video game. Okay. So I am going to play video game. Let's see. Next question. It's raining. It's rain tomorrow. So the correct form is it going to rain? Okay. So is um no. Is it going to rain tomorrow? Okay. No. Look at the red sky. It is going to be sunny all day. Look at the red sky. It is going to be sunny all day. Okay. Question four. What do you um what do you do when you leave school? What are you going to do? Okay. What are you going to do when you leave school today? I am going to look for a good job. Okay. I am going to look for a good job. Nice. And question five. Is your team going to win the match? Is your team going to win the match? No. The other team is much better. We are going to lose. Okay? We are going to lose. Okay? All right, guys. Um, let me see. Exactly. So, guys, these are the simple answers of going to be. All right. So these are probable. This one is a probable prediction because the other team is better. He predicted the future. This is a plan. I am going to look for a job. Um, the sky is red. It is a prediction. All right. It's going to rain all day. I am going to play a video game. It is a plan. Okay, so guys, we have a plan, and prediction. Prediction. Okay, let me type it here. Plan and prediction. Okay, prediction. Perfect. Now let's talk a bit about the must and mustn't. Okay, this is very easy, guys. Must and mustn't is also what we know as a modal verb. So we saw some modal verbs like can, could, should. Okay, all these are modal verbs. Okay, so for must and mustn't, they are for obligations. Okay, obligations when you don't have other options, and it is very important. Okay, so we use must and mustn't, which is the negative form. Okay, to talk about something that is very important and there is no other choice. Okay, so here an example, an obligation. You must be at school by 8:30 every morning. Okay, it is an obligation. You mustn't be late. All right. Another form and use of the must is to give strong advice. Okay, remember we used should for advice, but should is for just normal advice, but must or mustn't is for strong advice. Okay, for strong advice. Okay, so we use it for strong advice like you must be careful when you cross the road. It is very important, guys. Okay, you mustn't cross the road. You mustn't cross without looking. Okay, so this is an advice. Okay, advice and an advice. Actually, this is also an advice. All right, we mustn't we mustn't be late. Okay. So like I said, it is a modal verb. So modal verb don't change form. It is I must, you must, he must, she must, we must, they must. Or they mustn't, she mustn't, I mustn't. It doesn't change form. Okay. Um. Let me see. Now, in interrogative, guys, in interrogative form, we do not use must, but we use have to. Okay, so have to is the same as must also, which is obligation, and mustn't is don't have to, which is mustn't. Okay, mustn't. So must, we don't use it in interrogative. Okay, we use only have to for interrogative. Have to. Okay. Let me see an example. All right. So, what time do we have to? Okay. Do we have to in this situation? So, what time? Sorry. What time do we have to be at school? Or do you have to wear a uniform for school? So, do to do have to exactly. So, subject pronoun to do have to. All right. Let me see. And we can use it to talk about the past. We don't use must for the past. We use have to for the past. So, for example, I must go to school today. In the past, I say I had to go to school yesterday. Or in some example, we had to be at school at 7:30 yesterday, and we had to take an exam. Okay. So, guys, for interrogative and for the past forms, we only use have to and had to, not must. Okay? We're going to answer just one question four, and the next question will be an activity tomorrow. Okay? So, question one, be quick. We are, so guys, it is an advice. Okay, let's see. Be quick. We late or we will miss the start of the movie. So the first verb here is be. We mustn't be late. So, guys, the word is mustn't. Mustn't. It's like the T is silent, okay? So, we mustn't be late or we will miss the film, the start of the film. Two, you trainers when you play tennis. Okay, so the best verb here is wear. So you must wear trainers when you play tennis. It is very important. Okay. Three, you must or mustn't cross the road. It is very dangerous. Oh, so you mustn't. When it's dangerous, we generally don't do it. Okay. So you mustn't run across the road. It is very dangerous. Okay. Question four. Shh. You are in a library. Sorry. So in a library, what is prohibited? Okay. You're prohibited to speak. Okay. So you mustn't talk in the library. So shh. Don't talk in the library. Five. Put your phone away. You mustn't use it in the cinema. So it is prohibited to use phone in the cinema. Okay. And six, I ooh, finish. Okay. I must finish my homework by tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. So that is it for today's lesson. Okay. In case you have some questions, please ask me on WhatsApp. We continue on Monday. Okay? Bye bye for now and see you tomorrow. See you on Monday, right? Oh, before we go, guys, one more important information. Must is prohibition. Prohibition, okay? And have or must is obligation. Okay, obligation and prohibition. Right? Better. Now, bye bye. See you later.